Hey, I've got something exciting to show you guys today. You know how we pretty much carry our entire lives on our scooters? Especially those people who commute on their scooters. They pretty much live life on the road with their scooters, so they need to carry whatever they need for that day. You know, if you're a food delivery rider, you'd know this, right? You need to carry extra shirts in case it rains out, your raincoats, extra socks, your power banks to charge your phones, because you need those to navigate. And pretty much your whole lives are on the road, right? For the entire day would be 10, 12 hours a day. So what you need, right, are a few things. But the most important thing is the storage. Ample storage in your scooter. Now, we've come up with a whole host of solutions. We've got our small front pouch that you can use to store your power banks for charging your phones. You can use to store just small items that you need on the road, right? But it's too small. Okay, we've got the larger waterproof battery pouch, or you can use it to store anything else other than batteries. With the front mounting, right? This is only for the 010X and the 11X. But it's not enough, right? It's still too small. So these two front mounted solutions pretty much fill up the entire space of your front of your scooter. Now, where else do we put the space? Where else can we put our other stuff? In the rear, of course, right? So of course we came up with a rear mounting bracket with a waterproof storage box, right? You can put anything. It's got locks, it's got holes where you can padlock it from both sides. So that gives you extra security for any sensitive items like cameras if you want to use them, right? So let's see what's inside. Okay, one of the main things we use it for is our extra battery. So this external backup battery is to extend your range. This particular battery is a 60 volt 25 Ah battery that will extend your 010X or any other 60 volt scooters by at least 70 to 80 kilometers. Right? That should give you an additional 2 to 3 hours of ride time. So that's just one of the ways to use this. But this battery box is universal. However, the bracket is not. Right, this bracket is built specifically for the 010X, but if you want to mount this on any other models, do drop us a comment below, and if there are enough people wanting it, we will make it. Alright? So let's go into how to install it and use it.
Hi, welcome back to Falcon TV. So today we're going to talk about the rear storage box. We have a water test video on this one. It's uploaded on our Instagram and also on our Facebook, and at the same time it's also on our YouTube channel. Okay, do check it out on how durable this thing can be. And also now we're going to go into the installation process. For the rear storage box installation process, you will need a storage box, aluminum plating that's provided in the box, the screws needed to tie the brackets down onto the rocker arm. You need a tapping tool, drill bit with a drill, Allen keys, and also a silver marker. It can be any colors. It's for you to do a marking. It can be white as well. Try not to use black as the box is in black color. The very first step is to remove the rear fender. Okay, to make it easy and fast forward for you, remove the screw already. So the next step is to drill, according to the screw ports, drill the M4 in, which is this one here. Okay, so once you drill a true hole, what you will need to do next is to take an M5, tapping tool, and tap it. So once you have tapped all 4 ports, is to install the rear bracket onto the rocker arm. Okay, for the right side of the rocker arm. The bracket will sit nicely next to the brake caliper. Okay, now we have both the brackets tightened down onto the rocker arm. What's next is to put the box on top. Use the groove here to sit all the way back. Okay, this is to make sure that when the rocker arm moves upwards, the box do not get stuck at the bracket here. Okay, and from the top, we will try to align and put the screw from the top with the aluminium plate below it. There will be access at the bottom. This will allow you to add an additional nut to make sure that it doesn't get loosened over time if you're always traveling on bumpy roads. Okay, and there you go. Now you have the box installed. It's ready to go. Do email us if you have more questions, and also check out our Instagram account, and we will keep posting new stuff and more tutorial videos up. Okay, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you guys soon. Bye.